Come test drive the 2021 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find trip computer, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.